morning, sir.
This
By
is
the way,
the
my name is
Tokpo.
Chitoy.
We'll take us
Yeah. Paul. Nice to meet you, sir.
to
Yeah,
Kambukai
That's all right.
Falls.
So we're doing the coastal
to
tour.
Where's your sunny po? First stop, Itugu Cliffs.
Yeah.
That's quite interesting.
Yeah. We'll take some photo later. That's our tourist guide. What is your name?
Chitoy.
Jitoy.
Hello.
Jitoy is our tourist guide. Second stop.
The banyan tree. Yeah. This is
Many years old.
This is a 400 years.
400
Same
years.
age to me.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Don't let that big fish eat your feet. This really is tickling my feet. Yes. Our fourth stop, the church that was built since 1854. Pit stop. This is going down to Kambuga High Waterfalls. It's a bit. Six stop Salagong Beach.